up quick, then I did quick. Put my goatee with a diamond cause it's toothpick.
Hi there, hope you all are fine. For this unboxing, I have this mesh 3-bag laundry sorter at a price of $11.88 at Walmart. It's really easy to assemble and it doesn't require any tools or instruments. And as you can see in the bottom, it has wheels so you can move it from your bedroom or your bathroom to your laundry room or wherever you want. Each part has its own sticker with its own letter to identify it, and you can use the instructions obviously to guide yourself. And it's not hard. I think I did it in about 15 minutes, like the whole process of taking out the parts from the box to having the sorter done and ready to use. And I think you can do it also if you use instructions and you check where parts go. And be aware that there's 2 types of little joints that unify the tubes, the white tubes, that look alike. So you need to be sure that you're using the right joint. The ones with 4 entries are for the bottom of the sorter, and the ones with 3 entries are for the top. And it's quite easy to use these joints to put the tubes together, but I did have trouble with one of them, the one I'm showing you right now. That one gave me a headache. No, not really, but took some time in comparison to the other ones that you just do them in like 5 seconds. And this is how you put the wheels, really easy. So this is how it looks from the bottom when it's finished. Nice.